Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is iQOO Z9s 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to take background blurred image in your phone iQOO Z9s 5G. First of all, open camera in your phone and click on portrait option. Now, keep the subject in front of your phone. Okay, that is behind your phone, not in front actually. That is in front of camera, that means behind. Okay, because you are going to use back camera. Okay, so see, click on the subject, just touch on the subject so that the subject will be focused and background will be blurred. Just click on now shutter button. Okay, after that click on shutter button. Okay, see, okay, now open the picture that you took, see the difference. See here, subject is clear and background is blurred. See, see. So in this way you can easily take background blurred image in your phone iQOO Z9s 5G. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.